Hi, everybody. Welcome after a year break. I'm Joanna. You probably remember me after a year. This is our new. We have some technical issues here, but is it okay now? It's okay now. Oh, no, it's not. Give us a second. This is a good sign.
We're experiencing technical difficulties.
Okay, so welcome back after a year break. My name is Joanna, you probably remember me. And this is our new team. This is Michał, you already know him, and Bartek, our new
Hi.
colleague in the team. We are here just to present you the new product we have been working on. But taking this opportunity here, I would like to thank you, our clients, our cooperators, for a very good year for us. This gave us a lot of feedback for getting better and improving our service and product. So today we're gonna tell you a little bit more about what we have been working for last couple of months. But about more details, I will tell you this a little bit later on when I will get down to show you the product. And in this time, my colleague will be discussing and also reminding you about the idea of the solution of the mobile solutions. So I will leave you with them, and we will meet in a second later on.
Thanks. Game changer for somebody.
businesses there and expenses are getting increased. So, we have an answer for that. We have an answer and solution for this particular concern. And this is an optimal, excellent mobile LED screen, which is affordable for the new people in the industry with a low entry threshold, with low entry level, and also a good and excellent solution and helpful unit for those who already are in the business. Well, but before getting into this, we are going to discuss with my friend Bartek the whole idea about mobile LED screens against previous
Standard
and
truss
well-known standard
construction.
truss solution, the construction you've probably so many times on concert stages and other things like events, for example. So before that, we are going to discuss this, and of course, then it's going to be a presentation of our new product. And of course, this today's meeting will last not more than 40 minutes.
And in the end, there is a
Exactly.
answer question
Yes.
section
And there's
for our viewers.
gonna have time to answer us questions. Hopefully, we can answer all of them. And we have our helpful friends, assistants here if there is some more technical questions from you guys. So hopefully, we will answer to all your questions and concerns. Well, let's
Okay,
jump
so
right in.
yeah, so first let's talk about the truss construction. Okay, we're going to compare it with the mobile solutions of ours.
Yes.
And okay, what it is, the truss, because some people may not know that. So can you give us a glance of what this actually is?
Well, truss, as you probably know, it's supportive structure you install. Um, Maybe I don't need a microphone anymore. Okay.
Do we need a microphone or?
All right. So
Mhm.
getting back to that, the truss is a supportive construction you use to hang your screen on. So comparing to the mobile solution, you probably know what
Mhm.
are the differences between each other.
Yeah, of course. You were talking about the silver light aluminum construction, which the stage
Yes,
is
exactly.
composed of.
Yes.
So I believe, in my opinion, you have to. It's quite a big construction, as I've been
Yeah,
to
it's
the
a lot of
concerts, to the
pieces
many
there.
concerts and events. So first you have to store it somewhere. Okay.
Yes, for the sake of logistics,
Hmm.
if you like to run a business with truss constructions, well, you need a warehouse. You need some
Of
place to
course.
storage that, some people to take care on it,
To maintenance and
and to
to
maintenance.
okay, so
Exactly.
when you're preparing the your construction to the event to the concert, You also need a fleet of cars, transportation, let's just say.
Well, sure,
because,
yeah.
somehow you have to move it, your construction
Exactly.
to the place of event.
Well,
Okay?
depending on the size of the truss and how many pieces you are going to deliver, well, it needs a vehicle, and if
Yeah,
you
a couple of
don't have
trucks
your
will
own,
done the job.
yes, exactly. So it takes time, it takes vehicle, it takes some logistic issues to have it ready.
And also
And
takes manpower, because I
yes,
believe one worker of yours
well, it's not
cannot
enough.
do, yeah.
Well, it's not enough. If we are talking about bringing it there to the place and have it assembled and have it ready for the event, well, you need minimum 3 workers or even 4 to have the job to
It
have the
depends on
job up.
on the dimensions of the
Yes,
screen.
exactly. So, well, it would take you like more or less, as you can see on the chart very soon, which are
Yeah, we're
going to
have a
display.
presentation, a little bit
Yes,
presentation.
then we are going
going
to
to
show
give
you
you-
the presentation, and probably you already see that on your screens. So as you can see here, the comparison and time period between the mobile solution and truss structure supported for the screen, well, it's big and significant difference.
Mhm.
You
Okay, so
to
the
have it
fir-
ready,
Mhm.
you just need around 3 hours to have it ready.
Yes. Okay. So the first chart you see is going to the time that you need to
Yes,
prepare the construction. And
exactly.
Then up to 2 hours more, just to fold the screen, fold the frame, fold the truss, and have it transported back to your warehouse.
Yes.
Whereas the second slide is going to show you how it looks like comparing to our mobile LED solutions. I believe my colleague is going to give you the example. Yeah, that's the
Exactly.
approximate time of preparing our mobile LED solutions versus the standard trust.
Yeah. Now you can see the time
construction.
difference. Time means money. So look,
Yeah, the
6
time
hour
difference
comparing
is
to
huge.
right,
Mhm.
25, 35 minutes comparing to 6 hours, it's huge. So you can probably imagine how much time you're
Okay,
saving
so
and your money
you
and
are-
people to
yeah,
do
so
it.
you're earning 5 hours of your time. Okay.
Yeah.
You also are you don't need 2 or 3 people more to have it prepared. So
Yes.
that's pure savings for
Yes.
you and your company.
Yes. Yes. It's about in business. It's about to make your life simpler and make your business simpler. That's how you grow. And well,
That is correct.
yes. So coming back to the investment and how it's about returning the investment here in this solution. Taking into consideration mobile LED screen, well, you save time, you save money, you can have it ready in 15 to 20 minutes, and whenever the wind is too strong
So you
on the
can
event,
service a lot more events than you would do
yes, you can do much.
using the standard trust
Yeah,
construction.
by saving time, you're saving a lot of money, and well, you probably sometimes even might be able to make 2 events at once using one
At the
trailer,
same time,
because
yeah, of
it
course.
is just 15-20 minutes to ready to go.
Uh-huh.
So, well, you can just park it whenever you want. You don't need special warehouse to storage that. It's easy to
course.
transport. You just need one person to operate that.
Okay,
Well,
can we estimate how many
Yeah.
events will bring the return of the investment of the mobile LED solutions?
yeah, let's say in 1 year you can make more or less between 50 to 80 events. So let's say let's
you can
take
say
this number in the middle. Let's say this is going to be like 60 events,
Mhm.
and not even considering the events and how you charge for the event.
Mhm.
Comparing just the cost between the truss construction and how much you need to spend to maintain the business in this way, and how much you can spend maintaining your business with mobile LED trailer, you can have your investment return in less than 1 year.
Mhm. So that's a good investment rate of.
Yes.
So that's a good rate of investment, okay, as you say.
Yes.
And I would like to talk about a little bit more about those events, okay, where bad weather condition happens. Okay, you're not prepared
Yeah.
for this. With our mobile LED solution, as we seen the chart before, the unfolding of the screen takes about 30 minutes, 35 minutes with one person, and when there is a truss construction, you don't have that much time. So when the wind
Well.
is hazardous
Yeah.
and dangerous, it
Exactly.
could be a problem.
I'm
You
glad
can-
you asked that question.
Mhm.
Well, first off, for the experienced operator, considering the mobile LED screen, it will just take you around 20 minutes, even less, if you already got a hang of it. But in case you miscalculated the weather and you'd like to have your whole construction being folded back, well, it's not gonna happen, because you need like 3 hours to have it done. So the only solution for you would be to extend the structure or to add up some
Some
ballast.
balance.
Yes, at the back of the construction.
Yeah,
so
and I've
imagine how complicated it can be when you're not using
course.
mobile LED trailer.
And I've been on an event like this, okay, where the organizer have come prepared, okay,
Yes.
and he's already installed the ballast, and by the ballast I mean those 1,000 liters
Yeah.
plastic cages.
You just need some
Yeah.
source of water.
Yeah, of course, and you have to fill it up. And
Yes.
who's gonna help you with it?
Yeah.
I believe
So
it's going to
so
be
that's an issue for you if you are using truss, and sometimes having this all so complex can give you a headache. So that's why mobile LED trailers are the best solution here in for the future, for your business, for you to grow, and for you to have plenty of time to plan your business, to make the things that you like to have to do, and instead of having troubles with installing truss. So just make your screen ready to go and get yourself a coffee.
Yeah. So yeah, thank you, Michael, for this summary brief.
Yeah, it was a pleasure.
Comparison. I believe Joanna's ready. Okay, she's waiting.
Yeah, I think so.
For you viewers downstairs with our premiered brand new
Yes.
product, which is.
Yes, and now we are very excited to share the voice with Joanna. And Joanna, are you ready there?
I cannot hear you, but I am ready.
Okay, so the stage is yours.
Okay, I don't know what you just said, but anyways, ladies and gentlemen, this is our new product we have been working on for last couple of months. This is a light version of the platform LED. First thing, the idea is just a platform LED. It's just the same as the previous product, but there are little issues which makes this product totally different and game-changing. First thing is the screen here, which is a long-run Pixel P4. Later on, probably we will be able to show you this, but not at this moment. However, don't worry, you will be able to see that online as well. Okay, so the size of the screen is not is about 14 square meters, which is about 153 square feet. And the whole idea of the project is in the back. So let's go in the back. This is, so the camera is going here. And before we start talking about details, I would like the camera guy to show our my assistant here, which is Kuba. He is going to show you how this project works, how the trailer works. So this is the cabinets. As you can see, the cabinets are, I would like to show you, to make a little bit focus on that cabinet. This is the closed cabinets, which makes this project that easy in use and that easy in production as well. So as you can see, we don't have a frame here. We do not have open electricity here. Everything is closed inside, and everything is hanged on the bar on the top. Of course, in the regular production, those cables will be hidden. Just for this show, we just put them outside so you can see how the system is done. So I think we can start now with showing you how this screen goes up. So Kuba, if you could please show us how it works. First thing what I will have to tell you is that we have a not wireless, but we have a wired controller here, which put this screen up and down. And Kuba will do it right away. Oh, and what's the most important here? We have a battery. Cameraman, please, which is 12 watt. And thanks to this battery and the hydraulic pump that is here enclosed, we don't need electricity here. We can do it without being plugged. Let's take a look how it works. What is also very important, camera, if you could come a little bit closer. These are, hold on, before we're gonna do that, I want to show you those pins that we're gonna lock. Kuba, proszę pokaż te piny, które zabezpieczają. No, te piny tutaj te, do zabezpieczenia masz tu, tak. zabezpieczymy maszt. These are the security pins which makes this mast even safer in case of something happens with the hydraulic system. So we put them inside. Możesz to włożyć, czy jeszcze nie włączyłeś za wysoko? Możesz włożyć to w maszt, te piny? Czy jeszcze jest za nisko? Okay. As you can see, this. Oh no, we have to put it a little bit higher. The total height of this trailer is 4.95, so it means it doesn't need to be TÜV certificated. For German customers, it's very important. Okay, and here you have those pins, which are very, which makes this mast safe. You also please put this one upside down, on the upper part. The other one, ten drugi, nie wkładasz tam? Ale tutaj masz stopień. Here's a little step. Here's a little step to make this work easier. And you put that on the mast. So you see everything is secured and safe, but manual, which also makes this trailer fully workable. Anyways, next step is the rotation here, which is, możemy teraz obracać. You have a special manual item to make this. Can we come a little bit closer? Poczekaj. Dobrze, przepraszam. Włóż. Camera, could you please show us this rotation system here? As you see, this is not this is a manual system, but also very, very high, very like you can make the rotation all around. So you see the manual instrument here, and it's easy and simple to rotate the screen. You don't need any special power, anything. It's just very, very simple and light to do that. Okay. And when you have this, let's say you put it, this is the place where you put this screen, then you have to lock this. Możemy? Kamera, proszę. Camera, I need you here. And we're going to show how you lock and save. This is the save pin, and then the mast will not move. Okay. What else we can tell about this trailer from the back is that, as you can see here, the electricity here is done according to American standards, because yes, this trailer is about to go to Orlando to the show, because yes, this trailer is able to be to work on American and European standards, meaning the power and the axles are flexible. Okay, so Kuba right now will show us how to fold this screen, how to connect it and unconnect it. Everything. It's very easy, and I want you, camera, to show a little bit, to focus a little bit more on what he does. It's nothing complicated. Very simple manual items to do the most important things you have to do. So. Saving pins, simple rotation, everything with manual instruments. So what is also a good point in this is that there are not many things to be broken. So it's easy, simple build. As you can see, Kuba is protecting the cables here to fold the screen down, and we will take a look a little bit closer how he disconnect the screens. Pokaż nam proszę, jak rozłączasz ekrany, górną część od dołu. So the upper part from the lower part. The only thing that you have to do is you have to unconnect the cables here, the first one. From the first column. Tu nie. Tu jest okay. And then what you have to do is to open the closets, and inside, if camera, could you please go a little bit closer and show them there is a Romanian screw which will be exchanged also in the regular production. that we will not have to go inside. We will just be settling it from outside. But this is just a little item which in regular production will be changed because it's already changed in the production anyway, actually. Okay, so Kuba is disconnecting the panels at this moment, and meantime, when he's doing that, I will be talking about a must we have spoke about. So we're going to talk about the frame here, just general information while he is disconnecting the screens. So the frame is also made, like everything here, made from the very first beginning, produced here. But the difference is that this frame is like custom made, meaning it is made in the whole piece. So you cannot, for example, disconnect the drawbar here. Everything is made in the same steel that we producing our regular trailers, which are made in steel according to the norm S355, and everything is galvanized and powder painted. So everything is rust proofed, everything is waterproofed and slippery proofed. The floor is made in the corrugated steel, which is safe in use when wet, when rain, and it's actually the thing that you need. It's just waterproof and slippery proof. You don't need nothing. It's simple, but this is what you actually really need. What else I would like to mention here? Oh, the outriggers. Each outrigger is not like in the previous trailers. It is here stable. You are not able to settle it, put it inside, outside. It's just for constants here. And every of those outrigger has a load capacity for 3 tons, each of them. So it's about 7,000 pounds, yes. As with the regular trailer, the same one. This trailer, as every of our other trailers, can hold with wind. When it's hold, it can stay with the wind on speed 28 meters per second, and when unfold, 15 meters per second. Frame, as I mentioned before, is adjustable for the American axles and for European axles. It's just a matter of taking them off. And everything is based on the same frame. The same thing is with the drawbar. As you know, the stop system is different in America and different in Europe, and this is also able to be exchanged into different norm. Lights can also be adjusted to American standards. And how you going, Kuba? Jak ci idzie praca? Już kończysz? Okay, so he's almost done. Oh, as you can see, electricity here is done for the American standards. This is the Camlocks. I mentioned about that, I guess. And as with all our products, just one person is needed, required to start the trailer. So this is the American generator that we had to use for this show. It's nothing that we need for the constants. Okay, and if you could please take a look closer. We just opened the screen here. Yes, and and pokaż nam, jak to teraz będziemy zwijać. So now what we do is we are rotating the upper part. We have to unlock the mast here, the rotation system. w drugą stronę musimy chyba to zrobić. Yeah. We have to do it in the other way. It's always made in the other way. Oh. Okay. So something which was before made with wireless control remote, right now you can do it with your hands. With easy way. Okay, remember about locking the mast in the rotation, with the rotation. You hide the tool. And we're done. The next step is we take the controller and we fold it down. Camera, if we could please take a look here, how it closes, that everything fits. Yeah, and that's it. The next step is the cover, which Kuba will probably also show us how to do that. Let me... Okay, i możemy teraz założyć plandekę. Yeah, okay. So the cover will be will be show in the next event, or later you can see it when it will be recorded. So the idea how the cover is put on will be recorded. Anyways, so I think I just said generally everything about this trailer. If you will have more questions, I will be right back upstairs, and we're gonna have time for more questions. So thank you, and guys, you can take over. Are you ready? Okay.
So, well, the first question is the power generator here. Well, you can use power generator. The capacity of the power generator should be around 11 kilowatts, but there's no space for the power generator on board, because as you can see, the screens are folding to the very floor of the trailer. So you can use the power generator, but it would have to be aside of the trailer. Okay, what's another question here?
Which size screen was and what sizes are available?
This trailer is available only in this one size, which is 13.83 square meters, which is about 4.8 on 2.88 meters. And in, do we have somebody from States here? We don't know what in meters is. It is just as I said, about 14 square meters.
What the towing weight is for this trailer? The trailer weight is
Oh, we forgot to tell about that, and that
yeah,
the
the total weight of the trailer is less than 3.2 tons, exactly 3,170 kg. So you can tow it by the standard car. You don't need
yes.
any
I have a
extra
backup
vehicle.
from my colleague. It is not more than 3 tons.
Well, okay. So having that said, yes, the towing hitch and the towing pressure on it, it should not be more than 150 kg on the towing hitch, and the total trailer, it's around 3 tons. So you have to have a certain vehicle to be able to tow it.
Okay, so we have another question. Can we use the AC power supply instead of the generator?
The total power supply is going to be three-phase here.
Yes.
So you need to consider the source of the power, three phases. So it's 400 watts here, volts here. So it's not the simple standard socket as you can have in your kitchen. You need three phases, which is called like a power supply three phases.
Okay, so we have another question for the warranty of the screens, Joanna.
It is 2 years, like every screens in our company, and for the regular guarantee for this trailer is 2 years. But more details about getting it extended, we're gonna talk later.
Yes,
we have
because
another
there are going to be
surprise for
some
you.
extra benefits for those who are taking part in this webinar, not only about the warranty, but also about the price. But let's get to that just right after the questions. Okay, next question. How easy to change defective screens? What is the warranty for the screen? Alright, okay, we already got you a little bit a glance of the answer for that.
The trailer is sorry, I
Okay.
see the warranty for the trailer. Regular is 2 years, but for people who are here with us, we have 3
One extra
years.
year of
Yeah,
warranty
so
for the trailer.
we already told you that. So for the people who are taking part in this webinar, this is 1 year extra warranty for the trailer.
And also one more extra item, which we will talk a little bit later
Yes.
when we finish the questions.
Okay.
How is there waterproof space to put the No, the processor is. We do not have anything included in the trailer here, but as an extra feature we can add here is the rack. The rack you can put out.
Beneath
Yeah,
the trailer?
just a hanging rack
Under the
just below
trailer,
the trailer.
yeah.
So it's available in every transportation store and everywhere around. So you can easily have it by yourself. Or if you'd like us to add up this feature, there's no problem, and you can easily put your video processor in there, so no water, no rain will affect that. So yes, there is a solution for this.
No more questions?
All right, so I think we just answered
And
most of the
towing
questions.
Towing weight for the trailer, you've already answered that. It's
Are the cables running outside?
This is well. This is something that I also mentioned. The regular production of those cabinets and of those trailers, those cables will be hidden inside in the closets, so they will not be visible outside. So they
Yes.
will not be bothering.
Yes, for the sake of the presentation and also just before testing of connection, here we just let you see how the cables are connected and what is the weight of the cables going through. So yes, the cables are going to be hidden.
Yes.
okay. Another question is for the Austrian market. Okay, I
Aus-
believe we shipped our trailers worldwide, so
Well, the idea of
the
this
issue?
trailer, they are flexible for the whole world. I don't see a reason why to Germany, not to Austria, everywhere.
Yes, it is possible to have it delivered to Austria. Yes, it is. All right, does it fit into a container for shipping, 20
Yes.
feet, 40 feet? Yes, it
40.
does. Yes, it
does.
does. You need 40 feet high cube container to have it shipped, and it's possible, and we can assist you doing so.
okay. And one
can
container
even-
fits at 2 trailers. Is that
Yes, exactly right.
Oh.
You can fit even
Okay.
2 trailers of those in one container.
so that's even lost.
The cables
cost of the
from processor
shipment.
to
Yes.
the screen. You mean the cables? The guy who asked about those cables.
Okay.
He
From
meant
processor to the screens.
the cables for the processor. So the cables will be
Okay.
outside actually when you connect that.
Yes.
But you don't have. But if they are in a shortened way, there is not much.
No, as far as they are hidden in the rack, you can have a solution taking them out, and when there is a small connection input, just right close to the video processor, no rain are going to affect that. So don't worry. As far as the cable and its cover is outside, without the small input connecting the video processor, you don't have to worry about the rain.
Is the mass on the battery? Does the screen have to be 3-phase? If only looked like single phase. Can you guys help us?
No, I believe the
What's the question,
is,
Joanna?
no, the question
the
was about the
question,
screen and the.
as the mast in on a battery, does the screen have to be three-phase? It only looked like single-phase connections on the demo. The battery that we showed you is only for the mast, putting
Yes.
it up and down. So I'm not sure if I understand.
No, no. So the screens needs another power source, which is three-phase.
Yes,
Uh-huh.
yes, exactly.
Okay,
So
there-
the power source is separated between the screen and the mast.
I tu ktoś, and somebody's asking if 14 square meters can't be
Can be
on.
on. That was
can-
the response another participant to the
Ah, okay.
question.
How easy to
below.
change the affected screen? How do you jak wymieniamy ekrany? Yeah, you have to open the closet from the back and then just take off
Modules.
the models as with open cabinets. What controller is used for the LED screen?
I think this is the question for the video controller. This
Yes,
is Novastar,
Which one?
the model
4
4. This is 4X
4 series.
and
Right?
4 series, and it's capable to handle the screen and displaying the content.
Standard, nothing special.
Okay, we have another question. Will the battery for the mast charge from the car? How do we understand it? Okay.
Yes. It
Yeah.
will.
Okay. You can take a simple auto
Yeah,
battery.
standard
and,
battery.
Yeah, standard
12
battery,
volts.
and make the mast go up and down.
Yes, yes, exactly.
It's
Yeah.
just a standard 12-watt battery.
Yes,
Volts.
Nothing
yes,
special.
it is.
We really made this trailer as simple as possible. There are no special
so the name
solutions for
suggests.
that. Nothing which would be difficult to get.
Exactly.
Will the battery be charged from the connection to the car? Yes, it will be. What controller is used? Yes. Perfect. You're welcome.
Yeah, we are happy to answer that question.
Okay, do we have more questions?
What will the battery install?
But will the battery installed under the trailer?
No, the battery. I believe it's only there when you need the mast to unfold. Is that right?
Yeah,
No,
ju-
the
there-
question is
there-
where the battery is installed. It's installed as you have seen on the trailer.
yeah. You can
not
just
under.
put the battery on board whenever you want to raise the mast.
Yes.
So if you like to have it stay there or just get it back, you
So
can do
there's no
it.
special place for the battery
Yes.
to be fixed on the trailer, right?
Yes,
You can put it wherever you.
you just needed to
want.
It
raise
is
the mast
not
up.
fixed.
Yeah, you just
battery
needed
is
to
not fixed?
push the mast raised.
Czy jest miejsce na baterię? Nie ma, nie? Mhm.
Yes,
I ona jest cały czas w tym
Exactly.
samym miejscu, czy ona jest jakoś wzmocniona, w sensie,
yes,
ale jest to miejsce specjalne na to? Nie, okej. Alright, so you can put it anywhere you want.
yes.
What voltage per phase is needed? Jaki
Okay, this would be a question to our design engineer or
designer, yes, this
electrician.
is something, jaki voltage jest potrzebny na jedną fazę? Oh, it's depending on the country, on the standards. As we said, we are doing this. This is flexible for the American standards
Yeah.
and for the European.
For the American, I guess it's 110.
Yes.
So it depends on country. We will adjust. We will adjust. Okay. Is there any other question from you guys?
No more
Did we
questions.
answer all the questions? Okay, there was a question about the battery, the mast, the video processor. Yes, this is the Novastar VX VX4. All right.
Okay, so I think if we are done here, so we can now present you the price for that trailer.
All right.
Probably is everybody waiting for
Main
that.
main point of
That's the
the
climax
of the
right here.
meeting. All right.
The price for that trailer is 44,000 euro, and it is the price does not include any transport in case of any Americans will ask for. However, we do help with transport. So 44,000 euro, and for people who are here with us, there is a 15% discount and one extra
Wow.
year of guarantee. For
Yes.
everybody who is here with us or everybody who will place the order within 10th of April. So it's a good chance to get this trailer quite on very good price actually. Also,
And yeah, exactly what you're just saying about it's before the 10th of April is there. We would like to also mention about our price policy, which we are going to
Yeah.
launch from this day, right?
yes, we have to probably guys who were
Can we come back to the question?
oh sorry, we
there
just have
appear
to
there's another one.
yeah, there's one. Is there only one screen height? Yes, this trailer is supposed to be done only for this measure of the screen, which is 4.8 on 2.88 meters, and that's it. We cannot change it. The
5 meters, right?
the total height of this trailer is 4.95 meters. It means pixel pitch 4. It means it doesn't need to be TÜV certificated. Okay, and returning to the subject, most of our clients, which we are in contact already, knows that we are in front of raising our prices. We are forced to do that because of global situation. This is nothing which we could do about it. And believe me, we were avoiding this for a very long time. So as you know, we were planning for we were doing plans for that, but we were holding it. Anyways, since today we are forced to appraise our prices for 10% globally, prices of the trailers. However, for people who are here with us or people who will place the order for the trailers, any of them, or the Simplet or our regular units, will still have the old prices, and the orders must be placed within 10th of April.
Yes, this is considered for Simplet, which were revealed today, and yeah, the price 44,000 is a steal. Yes, it's a very affordable trailer. So considering this price and having also this extra discount, giving you a really extra solution for your entry level in the industry, and if you're already there in the business, that might be a very good solution for you, right?
Yeah.
Another question pops off. 15% off the older trailers or just the Simplet?
No, just the Simplet.
Yes. The discount applies only to Simplet and for those who are taking part in this webinar and for those who are watching that by Facebook or any other social media. So if you are here already and you'd like to order the trailer till 10th of April, you are going to get 50% discount and also 1 year warranty extra for the trailer.
Okay, delivery date. As usual in our production, in our factory, it is about 3 months. This is something very general, depending, of course, on the logistics issues, which we almost already have really made to perfection. But at this time, we can tell it's 3 months, not more.
Yes, we are expecting many orders here, so depending on the production schedule, we are giving you estimated 3 months of delivery time.
Yes.
Okay, so we can
Yes,
just wait a
sorry.
little bit more for another
I see
questions.
manufacturer-led screen. Yes, of course, everything is made
Right
here in our factory.
Yes.
Working trailer. Will you show us a working trailer? Yes, we will be recording this trailer working, and this will be available to be seen on our website or in the newsletter. Our marketing guys will figure it out, but for sure we're gonna record how this whole trailer with the video works.
Yes, and of course the whole video will be available on our YouTube channel. So whenever you're gonna want to go back to this, and you will see it whenever you want. It's going to be available, uploaded there.
Pro Display is asking, so what will the net price for this trailer? Well, this is the final price. This is the net price. There are no taxes here.
And the screen is included, just to make sure you know. This is a one complete solution. The screen is included. The trailer is here. 3 years warranty, and also you can get our assistant in organizing the transport here. So the price is net, the price is just for the trailer and the screen,
With the
all
screen.
total together.
And also, what you have to also remember, we are offering the after-sale support. So if you have any questions, any doubts, any problems with getting spare parts, we also are helping with supplying them for you.
Yeah.
I missed the price. 44,000 euro. 44,000.
Yes, 44K. Just 44K plus minus 15% discounts are giving you a really, really good deal here. It's an excellent, affordable trailer and excellent to start your business here or going on.
Yes, of course, we will be sending technical specifications. Everybody who will need them, just please email to us. So everybody who will contact us will get details, whatever they want, the quotations or technical details.
It's
Panel-
15%. Yes, just to make everything clear, this is 15%, and I think this is really excellent and good promotion and special offer for you guys who are taking part in this webinar.
Panels are long run. Pixel P4.
Yes, the brand of the screen is long run and the pixel pitch is 4.
If you have any more questions or any doubts, you just can call us or email us. We are here all for you. Everybody's responsible for their markets, and I don't know if you guys mentioned who is responsible for which countries, but for
Actually,
sure
no.
when you go to our website, you will find it out. Don't worry about that.
Yes, you are going to be directly forwarded to each of us
Yes.
who wants to get any who wants to have any the inquiry delivered and any questions and or order placed. We are will give you a service here, and I'm responsible from the African market, West Europe, Australia, and some other countries. Bartek here.
Yeah, I'm responsible for Scandinavia mainly,
Yeah.
as well as the Eastern Europe and the Asia. Okay.
Yes, and Joanna.
Joanna, as you know.
German-speaking countries and
Yes.
states. Somebody's asking which panels do you use? Who is the producer? Long Run.
Long Run is the brand of the LED screen
And
here.
yes, we did recorded the webinar.
Yes.
Our guys will work on
Behind the computers.
sending it to you or just so you can get it how for sure they will inform you how it is able to get it.
Size of the display for 44K. It's only
4.8 meters on 2.9.
So it's
only
almost
one
15.
size. Yes, almost
Yeah.
15 square meters.
So it's almost 15 square meters of this screen. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, that is correct.
No.
It is, yeah, it is less than 3.5, more or less it's 3 tons
I think
for the whole construction, yeah?
I'm gonna ask Rafał, dokładna waga Simpleda z ekranem? Maximum
Yes.
3 tons.
Yes, up to 3 tons.
That-
No
Power
plates.
generator is not included. You can have it as an additional feature, but you have to have it in a side of the trailer, because when the screen is folded on the trailer on board, there's no space left for the generator. Alright, let's have a couple of more minutes to
Steve
wait
said-
for the questions.
It is not, because it is not necessary. This trailer, when unfolded, is 4.95 high. So you don't need the TÜV certification. If you want to make it, you can do it. That's not a problem. Of course, price is not included, but we can do that for you as well. We can help you with that.
Yes, the TÜV approval applies to this trailer.
What are the payment terms? As usual, you can get those terms also with the quotations, but generally it's always some deposit and then payment before picking it up.
Yeah, basically we work on a 50-50 payment terms, so 50% deposit before we start the production, and 50% deposit is our order confirmation. After we finish the trailer, there is a balance payment, and then the trailer is yours.
The wind calculations are included. Yes, they are included. Production time, as we said, generally 3 months. No, it doesn't have a wind sensor, but it is available to get it extra. Yes, 3 months. But also, what is worth to mention is that a wind sensor by itself is not included. However, the standards, the wytrzymałość,
The standard durability for the trailer in terms of wind gusts,
they are the same as on
yes,
the
it's
regular
the same, giving you
trailers.
up to 20 meters per second for the screen unfolded.
How much is the Simplet trailer? 44,000 euro.
Euros.
And 50% discount for those who take a part in this webinar. Don't forget, because this is a huge discount.
And you can place this order within 10th of April.
Yes, you can
got
place
more
it whenever you want, but if you place it until 10th of April, you're gonna get a discount and also extra warranty. I guess we need to repeat it a few times because maybe some other people can be just joining the chat.
And the platform. Well, the platforms regarding other products and prices, please contact us by mails. That will be the best thing to give you the detailed price.
Fully extended how high? To the top of the screen.
Yeah, we've said that already.
4.95.
Yes, yes, we already answered the question. That is, yeah, 4.95. And the platform LED. Yes, platform LED is one of our best-selling product. It's also available. You can get more details about it giving us an email, visiting our website, or even visiting our YouTube channel, where you can see how the whole construction, how the whole trailer works. It's pretty much basically same solution. There are a little bit more features available there, and of course for platform LED you can have bigger sizes of the screen available here.
Oh, I see my customer, Reich Schroeder. Hi. Sorry.
All right.
Yes,
Yes,
that's
from the
correct.
ground. Yeah, that is the height
Brightness
from the ground.
is over 5,500. It's still 6.5.
Yes.
Hi.
So it's a very bright screen.
Okay. I think we have said everything. So if you guys have any more questions, just contact us directly and we will be happy to assist you,
Sure.
to give you the answers to all your questions. Maybe you need some more details, technical details. Of course, we will get you quotations and everything by mail. We are not
Yes.
able to give you those details here, but when you contact us, then. And remember about this date, 10th of April. Until this date, the prices and the 1 extra year of warranty is valid.
Yes, yes, it is.
And also remember about other products. If you place the orders before 10th of April, also you're gonna get old prices for the regular products. Later on, unfortunately, we are forced, as everybody on the market, not only in this business, to increase our prices.
Yeah, so for the people who take a part in this webinar, there is 15% of discount for placing the order for Simplet until 10 April. And once more, having order placed for any other product, you're also getting same prices, previous prices, basically for the previous season. So it's a lot of advantages for you guys here who are taking a part in this webinar, and you are with us. And yeah, we really appreciate you are here with us today, and thank you very much for your time, and hope you enjoyed and you are very happy with our new product. Thank you, Joanna.
Thank you.
Thank you, Bartek.
Same
And
here.
thank you. It was
Okay,
very
have a
nice
good
to see
day.
you today. Take care.
Bye
Bye.
bye.